Alright, so today's video we're going to be doing a tail whip tutorial, as the title says. I'm really just going to show you guys a lot of things that helped me when I was trying to learn how to do my first tail whip. So, let's begin. Alright, let's go. Doggo, get out of the way. Ignore that fail. So, some things that really helped me when I was first starting out was just doing like the practice walk tail whip thing. It kind of looks like this. It's kind of hard to do it with these dogs around. So it's gonna look something like this. Move, dog. Of course, if you don't have animals in the way, then you can practice that a lot more. But really, you're just gonna walk with it, put your foot here, whip, and really use your wrist to kind of bring that deck around, kind of like, you gotta combine it with the flick of your foot and your wrists. You gotta practice that catch. Try not to hit my dog right here. Go away. You really just gotta get that whip, catch, and that wrist motion as well. And then another thing that helped me, like, this isn't my scooter. My current scooter's broke, so I'm using my little brother's. I don't have as much control on his because it's so short. But you really got to get control of your scooter. So just doing that without hitting your knees and heels. You just got to get comfortable with your scooter, and then just put it all together after you feel comfortable, and just do it. Well, I can't just do it because there's a dog right here. So you're going to want to get a little bit of speed going up to it, going into the whip. And you're just going to put it all together, the arm motion, the flick, the catch, and just land it, I guess. Let me try that again. Let me just go up. Arm motion, the flick, the catch, and then eventually you can just do it backwards like this. Well, I can normally land that, but I'm not on my scooter right now, so bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video to your friends. I'm trying to hit at least 10 subscribers. I almost fell. And say bye, Luna. Whatever. Okay. See y'alls.